So it's issues like this that can really help us to use BIM training and develop our planning. So we progress to the next level, and that is here in the plan for the underground. Let me just pull this up. So we have 2.1 here, and it's talking about this point right here. So let's see, I think this is a problem or mistake with my planning, and that I took all of this in the same level and the same height. So I should go back and fix the plan myself. So I open the Revit file and pull up the plan like this. So this may be a blessing in disguise, the fact that we understood this at this level. It can help us later on. So I go here and then I select this one. Let me just go back to the planning and see the ceiling that we had, the suspended ceiling. And then I click on edit. Let me just pull the CAD file here. So we have it for these spaces in here, and we have it here as well. And then let's see what else. So I go here and then I select this. Then, all right, delete it. So we go here again, like this. And then I connect them like this. There we go. And then here we have a gap of about, let's see, 23 centimeters from here to the outer wall here. Okay, and here in the planning, in order to fix the issue, it has to change the leveling of the suspended ceiling, which is an interesting way of dealing with it, to say the least. So we have 0.23 here. And then using line, I'll close this part. And then let's see what else. Let us see. All right, we go to this part here. And then we delete this, such as this. And then I'll use split to split this part. There we go. And then we go to this part. All right, this looks fine. So let's see what else. Okay, here I hit DI to see the distance. Okay, let's see. All right, and then we go here. So let's see what the distance is for here. It's about 1 meter. So we go here. Okay, then we go here. We delete this one, and then we'll delete this one as well. Let's see what else. Then we go here. So let's drag this here, and we have about 1.05 for this one. All right, there we go. And we'll delete this last one as well. So there you go. So let me check the other parts and the other details that we have. So in these outer parts here that we have the exhaust, let me check the distance for these as well. Let me just type this and then look at this one. All right, so from the framework to this point right here, we have about 1.95 meters. So here I'll put 1.95 as well. This is the distance between these two. So that is that. Let's go to the next part. Here we'll delete this one. Then we'll get rid of this one as well. And then here we have a different distance for this part as well. It's different compared to the other ones. So this is how this corner should look in here. Although we do have a gap here as well. Let's see how much it is. It's about 30 centimeters. So I'll just type it in here as well. like this, and there it is. So I hit finish. It says it has an open end, so let's see where it is. I hit show. So it's talking about this point here, so I delete it and then finish. Now I go to the cut. So as you can see, we have the plan here. It's 2.6 here and it's a bit lower on this side. So I go to the suspended ceiling plan. There we go. Let me just change this. Let me just see how I can control this one. So here from the underlay, I'll put this to the underground plan. And then for the orientation, I'll put it on look down. Let's go back and put this one on none. And from the view range, I've put this one on the ground floor. And then for level, we have unlimited. And for the offset, you can put anything you want, 2.3 or whatever. As you can see, this is our suspended ceiling. And on the suspended ceiling, the part where we have the exhaust, the height is 2.1. So I select it and then create similar. Then I pick it, then pick wall, put in 2.1 in here. Then I go to this part of the plan and select this, and then this one, and then this one. And here where we can't do that, I'll use pick line. Let's just do it here and use it here as well. Then for this part down here, pick line. And then here, pick line again. This goes here, and then this one as well. And this one too. So then SL here. Then we go here, and then I'll select these ones too. There we go. And there we go. All right. Let me just do these ones as well. Here it is. And done. So I finish it. So here it says there's an issue. Let's edit these. And then I finish up again. We have 2.1 here. So I go to the view range here. And then I'll put the offset on 2 meters. All right. Now in this part where we have the 2.1, I'll select it and then I'll go to the override section. And then here I'll change the material to, let's see what, for example, firewalls. And then I'll select this color and then okay. Now let's see what else we can do. Open this up, the override fill pattern. And then here I'll select this masonry one. Okay, cancel, then open it again. Then let's see masonry again. Okay, and then apply. So I did this so we can identify it easily and fix the issue. So I'll select it here and then I'll go to this part, put in 2.6 for the height here because all of the parking ceiling is 2.6. So I go here. Then I'll click on these ones and put them here. There we go. All right. Then I zoom out a bit. Let's see what else we have. Then let's fill in these ones as well. And then we go here too. So this part where we have the column, we need to redo this. Let's just fill in these ones as well. So we'll create these ones so it's all united, and there we go, looks fine. For this part here we have a different height for the ceiling and it's 2.55, or maybe just let me take a look. It's 2.1 like we had here. So I go here and I select this, then I hit create similar, then I put in 2.1 for the height. And then we go here. Then I select sketch, then auto. Then I click on this part here. After that, pick wall. And then we'll click here. Let's see. And then I'll trim these ones. Then let's just open up AutoCAD quickly. So there we go. although I have to redo this because we have a separate space here. And there it is. So delete this one too. And then I finish it up. And then I'll hit create similar. And then I'll click on these parts here. Here, here, and here. And then sketch again. And then pick line again. And then I'll click on these parts right here. And then here as well. Then we go here too. Let's get this one too. And then I'll be trimming these ones together. Let's clean these up. And now we have a good looking design here. Then I finish it up. Let's see what it says. Cancel. Let's click on these ones as well. And there we go. So let's take a look at the detail here. All right, this one seems fine. Let me go back to the details and see the part we have here. So the height being 2.1 here allows us to put the facilities here as well. And in here as well. So we have done the planning about right, even according to the CAD file here. As you can see in the cuts that we have here. Let me open it up. So the mistake was probably on us. So this part under the stairs, the warehouse needs to be fixed again. And right here where the exhaust moves, it has a different height. And the only part that remains is the lobby. Let's see if it's this one, not this one. The lobby has a different height as well. Let me just pull up the details again. It's this one, 2.55. As you can see, let's go back to the plan. So let me go here, and then I'll be selecting this one with this one and these two. All right, and this part as well. So I'll go here to select this forum, and then as a color, let's go with this orange. Click OK, and then apply. Then I select the ceiling again. There it is. Here I'll put in 2.55 for the height. And then I'll click on this part right here. Let me just, okay, there it is. Then I select trim. And then I'll click on these ones. And then finish. Then I go here and open this menu again. And then I'll open this and select the hatching for it.